Mitakshara Hindu Joint Family. Composition and Features. Introduction. The Hindu Joint Family, HJF, is the most fundamental unit of Hindu society. Unlike a nuclear family, it is a corporate body that continues to exist despite the birth or death of individual members. Under the Mitakshara school, the joint family is based on the principle of Janmasvatvavada, right by birth. Composition of the joint family. A Hindu joint family consists of common ancestor, the oldest male from whom the family descends, linear male descendants, sons, grandsons, and great-grandsons, wives and widows, the wives of the male members, unmarried daughters. A daughter is a member of her father's joint family until she marries, after which she becomes a member of her husband's joint family. Note: Post 2005. Her status as a Kopasana remains with her birth family. Salient features. A creature of law. A joint family cannot be created by a contract. It is a status created by birth. Even a single male and a widow can constitute a joint family. Continuity. The death of a member does not dissolve the family. It is a fluctuating body that grows with births and shrinks with deaths. Commensality. Members usually eat at a common hearth, rasoi, worship a common deity, and hold property in common. No specific shares. As long as the family is joint, no individual member can point to a specific piece of property and say, "This is 20% mine." Ownership belongs to the family as a whole. Conclusion. The HJF is a unique institution that provides social and financial security to its members. It operates on the principle of, from each according to his ability, to each according to his need.